Thank you for the introduction and for the chance to speak at this year's Embedded Vision Summit. So let's dive right in, and I want to explain why this is a very important topic and why a new approach is needed. So if you look at our industry of embedded vision devices, there's a general trend where engineers, product engineers in our field have been underestimating the capability of hackers. And we need to realize that hackers who are attacking camera devices are very skilled and way more skilled than we've been giving them credit for. This includes nation state attackers, where you see sophisticated attacks coming from nations all around the world. And it also includes private individuals who are doing it either for reasons of profit or criminal activity or just for laughs. But just in general, hackers these days are very sophisticated. There are also sophisticated tools that make it easy for people to get into the field and become very good at hacking devices. And this is a growing threat that will become even more of an issue in the future. So we as an industry, we as product engineers need to start taking this more seriously and have a new paradigm for designing security into our products, where instead of just making best effort security or security by obscurity or other approaches that just aren't good enough, instead we need to focus on architectural solutions, where we actually design our product architectures in such a way that we can define certain security guarantees and then build those guarantees straight into the architecture. So before I dive into the how, first let's quickly touch on the why. So there's a growing level of distrust among consumers in camera products in general, and for good reason. Speaking as a consumer myself, I certainly have growing distrust of camera products. Internet-connected cameras in general are hacked and abused in a variety of ways that leads to real harm for people. So here are some just examples from the news. So baby monitor cameras get hacked, very frequently. And speaking as a parent myself, this is a real concern. My wife and I do not have a baby monitor camera, even though we would like to, just because of this concern. We, as someone who works in the field, I know how easy it is to hack these devices. I don't want someone to hack and spy on my baby.